for a ride. You can go to Moab. I know. It's the first day off I've had, and I wanted to rest, so we just rode to Gateway and to talk to the people there about if the passes are still open, because there's a beautiful way to get to Moab from Grand Junction without using any paved roads. And call me what you will, I prefer to go that way. But the pass is still closed, snowed in, packed. But I just turned down a random road, dirt road, and just wandered this, I don't even know what to call it, a valley or ravine. It was beautiful. It's beautiful. I have so much footage, so much stuff to play with, so I'll be more than content to sit around and rest the day before I go back to work.